and resident doctors and nurses of Delhi's MCD-run Hindu Rao Hospital have withdrawn from duties over non-payment of salaries for the last 4 months. The doctors have been protesting over the issue for the last several weeks. 220 resident doctors and about 300 nursing staff have withdrawn from duties. Let's go across to Sukirti for more on this story. And Sukirti, the COVID patients at this hospital have been shifted out. They were shifted out yesterday, but the doctors continuing to protest. What are the authorities now doing?
Well, Gargi, that's the unfortunate part, that the authorities, apart from the blame game, have not given any proper assurance to the doctors in terms of what is actually being done in order to disperse their salaries. Till this point, we are still seeing the blame game between the MCD and the Delhi government. MCD says that the Delhi government is not giving them funds. The Delhi government, on the other hand, is saying that if the MCD is finding it so difficult to run these hospitals, then they can hand over the operations to the Delhi government. That's all that we've seen from the authorities so far. But here at the Hindu Rao Hospital, out of the 23 patients, 20 transferred, 3 serious and critical ones still inside the hospital being looked after by the senior doctors who are still offering their services and are not on strike. But at least over 200 resident doctors and 300 nursing staff are still on strike. We earlier spoke to the resident doctors that have been on strike and got their voices on what exactly are their demands and what is exactly that they are hearing from the authorities in terms of any assurances that they may have been given till this point. We are present at the Hindu Rao Hospital in Delhi. Over 200 resident doctors of the hospital as well as nearly 300 nursing staff has now withdrawn their duties. This has been a COVID dedicated hospital since the month of June, but for the last 4 months these doctors have not been paid their salaries. You've seen these grand gestures from the government in terms of all of these campaigns to bang utensils, to shower flower petals upon these doctors. They are called Corona warriors, but these warriors are being deprived of their salaries despite the fact that they've repeatedly raised their demands. They've kept their issues before the authorities. Now they've withdrawn their duties. The 23 patients that were here, out of those 20 have already been transferred to other hospitals. I have these resident doctors here with me who are now protesting and have gone on strike. We'll get you their voices. Sir, firstly from you, tell us your name and then tell us, have you got any assurance till this point from the MCD, from the Delhi government about whether the process for disbursing your salaries, whether that has been started or not?
Hi, myself is Dr. Piyush Singh. I'm the ex-RDA President Hindu Rao Hospital. So right now the scenario is that we have been continuing our protest since 11 and 12 days. You can see that our doctors have been marching in the protest in a silent, symbolic protest manner. And there have been no assurance from either MCD or Delhi government that whether our salary will be released or not. They are called for debate. We go in the debate. We see them. They will fight with themselves only. But there is no solution which is coming for us right now. So still we haven't got a single month penny for ourselves. They are saying that you take 1 month, then you call off the protest. Is it worth? We are every time we have to face the same problem. It's not the condition from now. It is the condition since 2019. Before that also residents were attacked because they protested for this reason. So the RDA holders who were there in that position, they were attacked for this thing in the salary course. So if this happens again and again, that the doctor's name is getting defamed. You can understand that thing. The doctor is coming in the protest highlight and that name is getting defamed. He's being linked to a political issues, which is not the case. We are asking just for our money, that's it. Nothing more than what we are asking. We are not here for any politics. We don't want Delhi government. We don't want any MCD. We want our salary, that's it. No more.
Ma'am, please tell us your name and then tell us how difficult has it been for you all to manage your own household expenses, the rents that you guys have to pay, and also the amount of work that you've been putting in. I mean, how many hours have you been working for and the kind of risk that you've put yourself through?
My name is Dr. Jyotsna Prakash. I've been working here since it became a COVID hospital. Initially, we've been working like really hard. We are called frontline warriors for a reason. We are one of the most exposed people around the patient in Corona time. We have not been getting our salary since then, and it is really tough for us to pay the rent. We have to ask, at this age, we have to ask our parents from home that please lend us some money. After we've been working so hard for so many years, we don't get our salaries, so we ask them, can we get salary or can we get some money to pay? We cannot eat, we cannot do anything. We work tirelessly the entire day to save patients, to treat them, and we are not being treated that well, nor we are being listened to. So it is very tough for us.